Oh, no coffee for you though. No coffee. Hey, Dreamy Reamy. Hi. This is how you start a morning off. Look at that face. Look at that face. Oh, this is how you get over hump day straight away. Just this face. Dreamy Reamy. Oh, Remus. Okay, well, welcome back to Mischief Maker TV. Now I've had my hug with Remus this morning. It is time to start the day, and boy, have things changed again. So let's get to it. We're here in SoCal again, obvious, and Nick is actually coming to pick me up and take me to the shop because, okay, we're back here again. I know our decision this morning, and I went on social media this morning saying, heck no, we ain't taking this, but guess what? We've managed to come to a deal with R1. So I have the keys. Let's take this back to the house to load it on the trailer, and let's take a look around this build. So we're here. We are in the Gladiator, and I can tell you already, it feels, so obviously it feels very Jeepy. It's a Jeep. But it feels, for some reason, very confined. Now, the only reason why it feels confined to me is that A, there is a top. It is fully enclosed in here. And B, I have the half doors. So I'm used to having kind of like the Jeep set up right here, but with the half doors, so there's nothing here. So that's why it's feeling like a little, to me personally right now. I know as soon as I get going, let me just, pull this out. I know as soon as I get going and I get a little used to this, it's gonna be better. I'm wondering how Walter is gonna feel in here for our pretty long journey on a dirt road this weekend. I think he'll feel fine. Yeah, he'll feel fine. He was used to Mischief Maker when it was stock, so yeah, hopefully. Okay, so another thing I am not quite used to is the touch screen actually working right here. So because I have an open top, the touch screen on my Jeep, on the JK, sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. So I always use the controls right back here on my Jeep. But this one, this just looks so good. Obviously works. So let's see what is here. Okay, so since I'm gonna be in here a little while, let's add a device. Oh, I need to go into here. How freaking exciting is this? Pretty exciting. Now, I am not going to be driving this to Santolo from SoCal. I'm actually going to use our 20-foot trailer, and we will load this up here when I get back to the house, and we will trailer it there, and then I will use it from there. But to and from SoCal, I will be using the trailer. So let's see what we've got going on here. Of course it's on the country. Of course it's on the flipping country channel. People hearing their country music. I love country music, don't get me wrong, but that's all people listen to here. Okay. All right. Mirrors, check, even although I can't see anything out of there. Mirror, check. Mirror, check. Seatbelt, check. I think I'm actually going to take this down a little. Perfect. Okay. Nervous? A little. Oh. Ooh. All right. All right. And we're off. Wow. I wonder if they actually have a name for this. I don't know. Okay. Perfect. Oh, we got through our first gateway. I'm actually a really good driver. I'm more of a granny driver, actually, which makes sense why I'm so good at crawling. And I want to go into desert racing. I'm also good at that too. I'm just not good at the in-between, you know? But, yeah, this is so funny. So funny. Everything Jeep around me, but everything's enclosed. Great, great. But we are looking good. It feels really smooth. Gonna have to get used to the sounds in here. But, really smooth. Wow. Takes me 2 seconds to get used to a new vehicle. It really does. I'm feeling very comfortable right now. Wow, this is great. So the one thing that I always forget, jumping around from vehicle to vehicle, is the width. Bearing in mind, Mischief Maker is very wide. Oh, this has one of the, oh, it's like an eco-saving. When you stop, it stops. Ooh, have to remember that. That will freak me out if I don't remember that. Yeah, so I have to remember or get used to how wide a vehicle is, because Mischief Maker is very wide, right? So I know him a lot. And the Ford F350 that we have is pretty wide and pretty big. So this is actually a lot narrower than I thought it felt. I thought that it was gonna feel like. That made absolutely no sense, but I'm pretty sure you guys are keeping up with me on this one. So it feels really good. I like it. Me likey. I was a little bit nervous, but to be honest with you, I really can't wait now. I can't wait for the weekend. It's gonna be great. We have that CVT tent on the top, so we shall be overlanding. So I know I said before we were not going to be taking this. We didn't feel comfortable. We would be liable. All of the above. But as I said before, we did come up with a deal with R1. So we're feeling a lot more comfortable with taking the vehicle. Now, what we were going to do is we were going to take Mr. Taco. Some of you had already guessed. We're going to take Mr. Taco and we were going to borrow a tent from Val and Mike. We were just going to tent it. So we would kind of be overlanding, but really not. Like, we would be camping and everyone else would be overlanding. But now we get the experience, the full overlanding experience. Very exciting. What is going to confuse you guys even more right now is my next statement. Walter and I will not be staying in this tent. You heard me right. We will not be staying in this tent. Now you can probably guess that the trip is coming up this weekend, so you guys will see where Walter and I are going to be staying. But I'm not going to tell you, but we're not staying in this one. But we will be overlanding. Confused? I hope you are a little bit. Makes you maybe a little intrigued to see what's going on the next couple of days. So that's why I did that. Woo! Trying to build some excitement for you guys. So I'm just pulling onto the highway now. actually a lot quieter in here than I thought as well, which is nice. I wonder how this is gonna feel on those dirt roads. Very intrigued. So I don't think I said this yesterday, but I have driven the Scotia Gladiator on part of a trail in Sand Hollow for a photo shoot. And driving a Gladiator versus a JK on a trail, completely different, obvious. But yeah, never driven one on the road. This is my first time, and I really like it. Very smooth. Now it doesn't feel like I'm sucked in. Actually feels pretty spacious in here now. Yeah, this feels nice. This feels real good. Just looking at those Mickey T's on here. Very cool. I'm actually going to take some stuff back to Target that I had purchased, and it's a little big, so I'm going to take that back before I head back to the house, and we'll take a look at this thing. Alright, well, as you can see, I have my buff on. Had to put it up here because you actually can't go in anywhere in Riverside County without covering your face. So I went into Target, and lo and behold, they are not doing any returns until the 29th of this month. So now I am just heading to the house to have a little look around this vehicle and plop it up on that trailer. Plop it up, plop. And we'll tie everything down because we are in fact leaving again super early in the morning. We're gonna be leaving around 4:30 in the morning to head over to make a stop in Las Vegas. I'm not gonna tell you why, because that is tomorrow's vlog. And then we'll head back on over to Sand Hollow, to our little trailer. So we're almost back at the house. I can show you guys around here, inside and out, and then we'll put them on the trailer. Very cool.
Hey, I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left or right. Ah, snuck in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that's amazing. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Go get your DeLorean.
Alright, so I'm back. I quickly popped in the wee hoostie there and had something to eat because Walter got me something to eat. So I'm actually pretty excited to put this on the trailer. Look at this. White on white. White on white. So let me go set everything up. I will take the ramps out. I will get in. I will drive up to the ramps. I will get out. I will assess the situation. And yeah, we will take it from there basically. And let's get this bad boy up on the trailer. So what's really weird is, and I didn't know this about the JTs, is that when you're in there, I had the door open and I just wanted to quickly realign myself, and it kept saying, oh, the parking brake is on. You have to put it into park and then put it into gear. Well, I kept doing that and it wouldn't do anything. You have to have the door closed. It's a safety thing. That's pretty awesome actually. We done. So that went pretty swimmingly well, to be honest with you. I know it looks like I've done a lot of back and forth, but putting something on your trailer for the first time, I don't know, it's just the way I do it. I want to make sure that everything is a-okay, but he's up here, just a way to strap him down. I think that might be it for the day. It's gonna be pretty much an early night for us because we are hitting that road pretty early. So I think that is going to be the end of the day for the vlog. Now, if you guys are enjoying this channel, remember to like and subscribe. Also leave me a comment. I really want to hear what you're thinking. What do you think about this one? Do you think we're gonna fit in here comfortably? I want to hear your comments and questions about this, and don't forget that notification bell. Now, if you are looking for some Mischief Maker swag, then I have stickers ready for you guys. And remember, I just picked these camo hats up today, as well as the black and the gray. So you can find that at www.woman-wheelers.com. And I want to say thank you to all of you guys who have already subscribed. I also want to say thank you to you guys who have got some Mischief Maker and Woman Wheelers merch. And until tomorrow, guys, I will see you later.